Guys, cryptos are crashing. Dogecoin is crashing hard, but now is the best time to get in. There is a light at the end of the tunnel. I will be answering burning questions that you guys have about when we should expect this huge bounce and that huge uptrend, and it is looking good. I will also be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're going to want to stick around until the end. What's up, guys? I'm Joel, and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate, as you've seen in my previous videos. Also, if you haven't joined my Patreon yet, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in my top pinned comment. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for that massive dip. That steep dip, that perfect time, that rare time to buy in. I let you guys know that I'm buying in so that you guys can buy in as well if you'd like. I then wait for a peak when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits. I let you guys know that I'm selling so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, all you have to do is subscribe, smash that like button, ring the bell, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top pinned comment where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Smash that like button if you know that Dogecoin is headed to the moon. It really does help out the channel. Also, congratulations to all my patrons who've been taking my buy and sell trade alerts because we've made a lot of money. Also, if you haven't smashed that bell yet, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. Guys, back in April, we saw Dogecoin all the way up to 73 cents. Just today, earlier today, it was at 16 cents, guys. I know it might scare you. Don't get scared. Don't have paper hands. Never sell for less than you bought in for. Never ever put in more money than you can afford to lose. And also, never invest more on each dip than 10% of your investment. Dogecoin will go up. There's so many fundamental catalysts in the works, with Dogecoin literally landing on the moon, and also Tesla accepting Dogecoin as payment. The lower Dogecoin goes, the more attractive it becomes to Elon Musk and Tesla to start accepting, because they know when they accumulate more and more Dogecoin at a lower price that they have a great deal, because it will go up in value. They know it'll go above $1 when it actually lands on the moon. So have confidence. Don't even consider taking it out until more fundamental catalysts and more events start coming up that are surrounded around Dogecoin. With more companies like MicroStrategy buying a lot of Bitcoin, Tesla getting ready, ramping up to start accepting Bitcoin again. Guys, we're looking up. We're going to have a lot more green days just next month. When Bitcoin goes up in value once again, breaking the 40,000 mark, breaking that 40,000 level of resistance, we will see Dogecoin and all other altcoins go up as well. Guys, the only reason for this downfall recently, down to 16 cents, is just because some more FUD, fake news about China not allowing banks to accept cryptocurrencies once again, just a reiteration, has scared people. That's all. Nothing has changed other than a bit more fear in the marketplace. But that's okay because we're going to have greed again very soon, and we are starting to see more greed because the price is so low. People are wanting to get in. More mass adoption. More people are getting in because the price is low, which is going to cause it to go up. With the price going up, people will then have more greed and buy in more and more, which is not the time that you want to buy. You don't want to buy on that uptrend. You want to buy on those dips, those steep, rare dips that I look out for all day long on the charts and let you guys know about with my buy and sell trade alerts on my Patreon. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. Also, guys, if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the description below. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,000 each. You can buy cryptos with it or liquidate it and send it straight to your bank account. Everyone in the US will see the long-term positive out of this China ban because as the crypto miners move out of China and move into Texas and other states in the United States, what they're doing is they're flooding the US marketplace with a lot more crypto, a lot more money in crypto. Just like China banned Google back in 2010. Yes, we did see a dip. We did see a market crash in the stock price of Google back then, but it flourished and it started going up just then after. Guys, the NASCAR Xfinity Series race in Nashville actually had a Dogecoin-themed car crash. Guys, after that crash, believe it or not, that's something that also contributed to the market crash of Dogecoin just within the last 48 hours. As silly as it may seem, Dogecoin was created as a silly meme just to start with. So with the NASCAR crash trending across the internet, it then created the trend downward for Dogecoin sell-off. Guys, when the whales saw this crash, what did they do? They wanted that FUD. They wanted that fake news put out there. They wanted more people to get scared. Oh, wow, the Dogecoin car crashed, so I think Doge is going to crash as well. Then the smaller retailers sold out. They got out. They didn't want it to go down to zero, which it won't. They got scared with paper hands, which you don't want to have. You want to have diamond hands. You want to be confident. And that's what my trade alerts help with. Dogecoin has 1-minute block intervals, making it faster than all other blockchains. This is another reason why it's incredibly attractive in the marketplace and efficient for purchasing Tesla and a lot of other companies. Elon Musk actually just tweeted out this morning agreeing the Dogecoin developers are currently working on an update for a fee reduction code. On Twitter, Ross Nickel actually tweeted out that he's going to be doing a live update proving that this is a very good improvement. He will be going over this update on Twitch. Elon Musk actually replied to him on Twitter saying that this is a very important improvement. I believe that this is just the beginning of Elon Musk continuing to tweet about Dogecoin, causing more confidence in the marketplace for more people to buy into Doge, causing the price to go up. Guys, cryptos are down 26% since this reiteration of the China ban. Now is a great time to get in. You want to get in during these infancy stages, during these huge dips, so that you can see big profits in a very short amount of time. When we see these huge dips after these fake news that scares a lot of people and you get in, we oftentimes see 30, 40%, 50% profits just within a matter of hours. Guys, as we look at our chart, we do see where we hit 19 cents just yesterday, right here. And then today, we also see where it hit 16 cents right here. But that's a double bottom, guys. A double bottom is a very strong bullish symbol. A triple bottom is an even stronger bullish symbol, which we may in fact see. However, right after that double bottom, as you can see, we're now having green candlesticks forming right here, going upwards, guys, and it's continuing to go upward. Guys, this is a great sign of an uptrend. I believe that we will likely see it hit 30 cents just within the next week. The lower it goes, the more whales buy in. The more smaller retail investors buy in, the more mass adoption. You want to get in before these people. You want to get in before the masses. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. Also, if you haven't joined my Patreon yet, it's incredibly cheap and in the top pinned comment. It's invaluable because that's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to get in. I let you guys know that I'm buying so that you guys can buy as well. I also watch the charts to wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. I also offer portfolio building, one-on-one counseling, and a lot more benefits. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, all you have to do is subscribe, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads, comment anything down below, follow my socials in the top pinned comment where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, thank you so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you tomorrow.